Tom the tow truck.
Hi, Christopher. Have you been mixing some cement for the construction site? Good job, Christopher. But what's that noise? It sounds like there's something wrong with your motor. Oh, here, Christopher. I think you'd better switch. Uh-oh. Your motor has blown, Christopher. We'll need to get you fixed up as soon as possible. Who will be able to help at such short notice? Good idea, Christopher. Tom isn't too far from here. He should be able to help. Hey, Tom. Oh, and hello there, baby Tom. Are you two making breakfast pancakes? They look a little lumpy. Oh, and nice pie. Never mind, Tom. Christopher, the cement mixer, needs your help. His motor has blown, and he needs someone to pull his mixer out of the river. Hey, look, it's Bobby the boat. That was really kind of you to push the mixer out of the river, Bobby. Someone could have been injured. Okay, Tom, why don't you tow Christopher to the garage? And baby Tom, do you think you can handle towing the mixer? Okay, then, let's get back to the garage. Great job, guys. We got Christopher here in 2 pieces. Okay, baby Tom, let's tip all of that old cement into the dumpster to start with. Great. Now, how can we secure Christopher's mixer back on so that it won't come off again? Oh, wow, Tom. That's a lot of nuts and bolts you've got there. They'll definitely be able to hold Christopher's mixer securely in place. That looks good, Tom. Now we'll need to look at getting that motor replaced, Christopher. Do you have a spare, Tom? It looks like you're all set, Christopher. What's that, Tom? We need to check if the motor is working properly? You're right, Tom. We don't want Christopher's mixer flying off again. But how are we going to test it? We don't have any cement. You think we should use the lumpy pancake mix to see if the motor works, baby Tom? That's a great idea. Okay, pour it in. Great job, Christopher. You're the new pancake mixer in town. Wow, Christopher, look. You've got the pancake mix nice and smooth. It's a good thing you came to Tom's garage today. Would you like to stay and have some pancakes? Okay, enjoy your pancakes, everyone. Thanks for your help, Tom. See you next time. Team Toolbox to the rescue. subscribe.
Hey!